Hi guys, how's it going? My name is Lasher-Walker. Welcome to 1 Minute Mixology. Very excited about today's show because we're going to dedicate the entire episode to the classic, iconic drink, the Martini. Thought to be a sequel to the Martinez once Dry Vermouth was imported into the US in the 1880s, the Martini is generally seen as the most iconic cocktail in the history of mixed drinks. Gaining traction during the golden age of mixology in the 1890s, the Martini is best described as an iron fist in a velvet glove, a silky yet stiff drink that has to be served at a temperature colder than steel. Our recipe calls for 2 ounces of dry gin and 1 ounce of dry vermouth, stirred over ice, strained into a chilled cocktail glass and garnished with a lemon twist. Guys, thank you for tuning in and watching. I hope you like this episode. If you want to see a specific drink or ingredient, then leave it in the comment section below. If you like this kind of content, then follow me on social media and at tomlasherwalker.com as well. And until next time, I will see you then. Salute.